Paper Bag Day is celebrated every year on July 12 to raise awareness about the benefits of using paper bags instead of plastic ones. This day promotes environmental responsibility and encourages people to switch to eco-friendly alternatives to reduce plastic pollution. Plastic bags are a major source of pollution worldwide. They take hundreds of years to decompose and often end up harming animals, clogging waterways, and damaging ecosystems. Paper bags, on the other hand, are biodegradable, recyclable, and made from renewable resources, making them a better choice for the environment. Paper Bag Day reminds us of the importance of reducing plastic waste and protecting the planet. Many people use this day to switch to paper bags for shopping, packing lunches, or carrying items. It's also an opportunity for schools, businesses, and communities to promote sustainable practices and educate others about the impact of plastic pollution. By choosing paper bags, we help reduce landfill waste, save marine life, and decrease harmful chemicals released into the environment. Small changes like this, when adopted by many, can make a big difference in preserving the earth for future generations. Paper Bag Day encourages everyone to think about their daily choices and take simple steps toward a cleaner, healthier planet. It's a reminder that protecting the environment starts with responsible actions.